Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Women crochet two pocket scarf designs, different ideas, different color combination, contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women crochet two pocket scarf design. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of scarf design. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful woman crochet two pocket scarf designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please friends, don't forget to like me, share me, comment me, subscribe me please.